Alright, this is one side of the carburetor is all nice cleaned up now. These were also put in the sonic cleaner. I think it might help just a little bit more. It gets rid of that really micro dirt, hopefully. That's what I think anyway. It's time to put it back together, so. Now the carburetors are fully rebuilt now and cleaned and everything, and something sad happened. I dropped one of the carbs when I was cleaning it by accident. One of these coolant fittings broke, so I have to order a new one of them, and then these carbs will truly be finished, and we can soon put them back in. So this is our new throttle cable here. This is going to be the return for the throttle. So this is the pulling, and this is the pushing. Started up the first time, she's got fuel inside her carbs, batteries in. Now hopefully it starts. Might take a few cranks. Carbs are rebuilt, so might just take a few minutes. There's no exhaust on it, so it's going to be loud. Loud. So I just noticed something here at the back of the bike. On the mudguard here there's quite a big crack and it goes up quite a bit. I'm just going to put a piece of aluminium behind here and put 2 rivets either side of the crack, and that'll stop it from getting any bigger. There we go. There we go. We won't have any more separation.